Here's a personal question for you. When you look into your future, do you see a life full of obstacles or possibilities? Back in 1775, the 13 colonies combined their outmatched forces into a unified army, beginning to fight for our nation's independence. And that was the first obstacle. The army made history by overcoming the insurmountable. But history is never over. The obstacles kept coming, one after the other, after the other. And the army made history again and again, pushing back from the brink of disaster and grasping victory from hopeless odds, getting bigger, smarter, and stronger.
Army football wins the championship again.
The Army transformed the lives of the millions within its ranks and the character of this country. If you see obstacles ahead of you, take a closer look at this force that's been overcoming them for almost 250 years, where you can draw strength from those beside you and make your history.